They can disguise themselves as coaches, they can be police. Yes, they are important because they help us improve. They help us see things which we miss out on our daily grind.
When you talk about talk time, the context of the call, or let's say the root cause behind why one of these three metrics, so talk time, hold time, or the error incidents in whether they punch the right problem code or not, the context has to be sort of understood, and that's where the challenge is, isn't it? Traditionally speaking, that means that we need to have a lot more humans, not just handling the calls or the interactions, but also monitoring the interactions after the fact to understand what the context or what the reasoning is behind that.
High talk time is not an issue, but high ATT is an issue because ATT is an average talk time of an agent. So it could be average for a day, if that's under threshold, fair enough. Average for the month when the KPIs are rolled out. So you see, average talk time is not an issue. ATT can be something which needs to be improved of an individual agent. But TT is fine. The talk time is fine. It can increase and decrease. There might be calls which are very short. So, the average is maintained. The next thing goes to the monitoring. This is used to be the role of the QA or the service quality. Historically, they were the enemies number one. If you say something out of script, you punch the wrong code, or you did not properly use the CRM, things like that. But that's not the real reason they exist. QA or the service quality are now evolving. Actually, now after 100 years, they are now rightfully evolving as the CX part of the whole business. And remember, the contact center alone is not CX. CX is something absolutely different. But now the SQ can grow into this function, and this CX can come back to customer service. So this SQA can be for your front offices, back offices, your contact centers. Are your systems performing well? Your CRM is doing well or not? Your IVR is giving the right information or not? Things like that. So yes, we need monitors. They can disguise themselves as coaches. They can be police. Yes, they are important because they help us improve. They help us see things which we miss out on our daily grind. So yes, that's an important function to have.